أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear students. How are you all? Kindly make use of the chat box to reply to my questions, please. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are in good state of health and iman. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, dear sister. Barakallahu fiki. So Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 18 of this course. We are just 2 days to finish of this video editing course, inshallah ta'ala. So Alhamdulillah, we have learned so much by the izn of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alhamdulillah, we have learned this skill and this ability so that inshallah in the future we will make use of this ability. We will make use of this skill for the sake of Allah, inshallah, for the benefit of the deen of Allah, so that we are going to use it for the deen of Allah and not against the deen of Allah, inshallah ta'ala. And also this will be of benefit when you're going to earn through this, inshallah, when you're going to make a career through this, inshallah ta'ala. May Allah help you all in this regards, inshallah ta'ala. Ameen summa ameen. So rectify your intentions before we begin, and let's begin with the name of Allah, so that Allah puts barakah in our efforts, in our time, in the skill that we're learning. Inshallah ta'ala. So seek help from Almighty Allah with the dua, so that Allah will make this journey of video editing as a career for us, inshallah ta'ala. And also may Allah remove all the hurdles that are in our path to make this journey into a career, inshallah. So seek help from Almighty Allah with the duas. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altuhu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So a quick recap on whatever we have studied in previous classes. It was all about from day 1 to day 10. We have discussed how to use the KINEMASTER. From day 1 to day 10, it was nothing but the usage of the tools that we had learned. And in the previous last 8 sessions, last 7 sessions, we have learned how to create different kinds of videos. We have learned how to create the Quran Tilawa videos. We have learned how to create more of the contents like just a moment. Yes, we have learned how to create the Quranic Tilawa videos. It was a special training session that was given since past 7 days, right? So we were seeing the Quranic Tilawa videos, recitation videos. Then we had seen business promo videos, anniversary sale videos, and then we had seen about the advertisement, how to make videos for the business advertisement and more, right? And then we had seen some of the short videos, how we can frame the short videos, how we can edit the short videos for the WhatsApp statuses and more, right? And also we had seen how to edit the Islamic reminders that we can put on the WhatsApp statuses and more, so that it will be beneficial for us as well as the ummah, inshallah, ummah and the humanity as a whole, right? The Quranic Tilawa videos that you're creating are not just the videos, they might be a source of hidayah for each one of us, inshallah. The viewers that see your videos, they might touch their hearts, it might touch their hearts, and it might be a source of hidayah for them, right? By the izn of Allah, inshallah. So then we had studied how to create some breaking news content, so that it will be beneficial for you if you are going to create any of the, if you are going to be a creator for the YouTube or for any social platforms. If you're going to just break the news or break some you are just going to copy some news and you're going to broadcast it on your YouTube channels or as such, then you can just put it on your channels with a breaking news tags, the taglines, what we say, the lower thirds, you can just put all of it there. You can put all of the stickers or something, what we call was this breaking news stickers, right? We made use of breaking news sticker from the KINEMASTER that were already available in the KINEMASTER app, right? So even that will be helpful, and even the green screen content that are already available, that are made available by the graphic designers on YouTube, that also can be beneficial while you're going to create for the breaking news content and more. Okay, and so these were the contents sessions that were discussed in past 7 classes, right? So today, inshallah, what we are going to learn is that we are going to see how we're going to create the wedding invitation videos. Okay, this is also a major video editing thing, topic that comes into picture when you're going to editing. Okay, you will find several assets, assets in the YouTube as well, such videos on the YouTube as well. You can also earn money through this as well. This you can learn how to get paid by just making such videos. Okay, there are so easy content. These are all the easy contents that can give you much money, or what you say, it can be your career, inshallah. Just you can just go check on the YouTube. They advertise their platforms. They just put a simple video and they just write like, if you want to make such videos, just ping us, we will make a video for you, and it charges something like this and that. Okay, this is an easy content that you can take it for a career if you want, inshallah. So this is how you're going to learn to make money if you are willing to, inshallah. We can just give your time, just a few minutes of your day, to dedicate and make such videos. Okay, and the homework for yesterday was making the breaking news videos. Mashallah, la quwwata illa billah. Most of the students have submitted a very best homeworks. Barakallahu fiki, my dear sisters and brothers. Fine, alhamdulillah. So are you all ready with the two devices? Now we are going to begin with wedding invitation videos. Okay, how we are going to make the wedding invitation video. Hope you all have downloaded the content that I have sent in the groups. Type yes if you have done. Type yes if you have downloaded the content that I have sent in the group. Yes, I want it in the chat box, please. Okay. So are you all ready with the two devices? I want you all to be ready with the two devices, or one smartphone is enough. If not, you can just write whatever the key points are told in the class, and you can just try it out after the class. Okay. But these are the special training sessions that we are in, and I want you all to do it along with me, practice it along with me, so that you all will benefit when we are doing it. Okay. You can just ask the doubts whenever you are finding difficulty along with me, when you're practicing along with me. Fine. Hope you all have downloaded the content that I have sent, inshallah. So we'll just begin the class with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and today we are going to study how we are going to make the wedding invitation videos, how we are going to edit the wedding invitation videos. We are going to make beautiful videos, inshallah ta'ala. Hope you all have just downloaded whatever the content I had sent. That those are just the sample templates that I have sent. Okay, and one video that I had made for someone, I have sent that as well. Okay, I want you all to practice along with me. Open your KineMaster app, everyone. Come on, yes, type yes if you are open with the KineMaster. If you have opened the KineMaster application in your cell phone or smartphone, I want you all to follow me along. Yes, alhamdulillah. Please let's be interactive, dear sisters and brothers, so that I want to know what pace are you and what is the progress, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, I want you all to practice along with me. Bismillah. I'll just share the screen. So hope everyone is open with the KineMaster application. Fine. Everyone has opened the KineMaster application, inshallah ta'ala. So you can just be a pro only after the practice, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, it's only the creativity that counts here. It's all your creativity as well as your practice that comes into picture here. Fine. Just remember, you have to be more creative with your content, inshallah. The content that is more creative earns more views, right? And moreover, it is also the algorithm that comes into picture. Fine. So alhamdulillah, so this is the screen that you get after you open the KineMaster, right? Okay, let me just start with the create new project. So whichever aspect ratio you want, you can select. Okay, probably you have some weddings coming up of your cousins or something like that. This can be a gift that you can give them. Okay, this editing, video editing that we are doing, the wedding invitation video, you can just type their names, whoever's wedding is coming and next few months or something like that. You can just give this videos to them, so that they can utilize it, inshallah, if they want. Okay. Okay, this is also a this can be also made for them as well. Okay, so now let me just select the aspect ratio. We can select any of the aspect ratio. You know what I choose is, I choose most often I choose 1:1 instead of the YouTube ratio, because I love using 1:1 content. Okay, so because this I use it everywhere, because I can use it on the Instagram stories, I can use it on the reels, I can use it on the YouTube shorts, I can use it as a YouTube video as well. Okay, so I make use of only 1:1. I want you to use whatever makes you good. Okay, if it makes you feel good, fine. So you just select whatever you want, fine. So this was a sample video that I had made for someone a few years back. It was just a wedding invitation video that I did, I think it was in 2021, something like that. Okay, I want you to just watch this, and inshallah we're going to create such content. Okay, so I want you all to import this sound. Okay, the music that is inside here, the it's not music, it's a background in a sheet that is here without music. I want you all to import it. How to import or extract it here? How to do it, dear sisters and brothers? I want you all to type it in the chat box. How are you going to import this video, this the sound of this video? How are you going to import the sound of this video here? You're going to click on the, yes, you're going to click on the extract audio, right? Yes. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So, okay, what are you going to do? You are just going to extract the audio, right? The click, where are you going to extract the audio from? You have an option here. Where is it? Extract the audio. Fine. Now I want you all to play this audio and just see what is the content that you're going to create. Just look into the content that you're going to create. Okay, let me just play it up. Kindly note whatever is being written here, okay? Whatever has been written here. Kindly note whatever is here. I want you to play it in your smartphone and see this audio is playing along with this. This audio is playing along, right? Okay, these was the names that were applied here. So you just can make use of this video. Are you all finding it very easy? Yes, right? By now you might have found this very easy. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, tell me whether this is very easy or it's okay. Is it very easy, right? It's are you all finding it very easy? Just please tell me, is it very easy? Yes. Yes, it is. What is it here? What is being placed here, dear sisters? Please tell me. Okay, now I'm going to play this. Tell me what is being placed here. It's just the text format, right? Yes, the background video and the text format, the in animation out animation should be excellent. Okay, excellent. The in animation out animation must be excellent for all of the contents like this. With new dreams, new hopes, we are going to begin the new life, something like that. And you're just going to, and the background voice should be excellent. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to put the background sound as excellent to all of this content so that it will be eye-catching, okay? And with the desire to achieve the pleasure of Allah, we're going to step the beginning of the married life for the sake of Allah. And this is what it is. But the placing of the text is also important. How you're going to write the text should be written in a very good manner. Fine, it should be written in a very good fashion. For example, the text should have a good font, and the font style should be very good, and more. It should be matching with the content with the screen or as such, okay? And even the colors of the font should match. I have seen you all doing some mistakes, some small mistakes. If the background is dark, for example, it was a dark background and you were putting it a darker text, okay? You have to match the screen with the background, match the text with the background, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to just focus on the text as well as the background and see if it is matching or not. If it's not matching, do not put the color as such, okay? You have to see whether it looks good for you, and only then you can just edit such a content. Fine. See here, there's something edited in white. Where is it white here? Because the previous ones we were okay with it, right? Because we had something, we had a darker this one there, shadow there. But over here we perfectly made it white because there is a dark background, right? For this dark background you cannot put black black fonts, right? Yes. So in this way you're going to make the videos for the wedding invitations and more. Okay? There are more such contents available on the social media. I want you all to just check all of these and give the comments. I want you all to make a real wedding invitation video, inshallah. So this was a venue that was mentioned here. Just blurred it out so that the privacy would be maintained. Okay, so this is what it was. Okay, so inshallah we're going to create a content like this. So I want you all to create a content like this with the background videos, or you can make use of the videos that I had sent in the group. Hope you all have received the videos. Hope you all have downloaded the videos that were sent in the group. Yes, please type yes if you have downloaded. Yes, did you all download the videos that were sent in the group? Okay, these are the videos that I've sent in the group. I want you all to download it up. Okay, select anything of your choice. Okay, select any video of your choice. So let me select this one. The blue is fine, I guess. Okay, this is fine. We will see if we can just put up the text that we have in the other videos as well and see. Okay, we will see how we can do it. Okay, this one, the text that is here. Okay, there was something. Let me just remove that. It was a idle or something like that, right? Okay, let me just remove that. Okay, this is fine. From left. Okay, so for this video, what we can do is we can just pan and zoom it. Okay, if you want, we can pan and zoom it, or if not, if you want to keep it in the YouTube standard, keep it as a YouTube standard video. So we'll go and change the aspect ratio if you want. You can just duplicate it and change the aspect ratio. Hope you all know how to change the aspect ratio of this video. How to change it? So this is 1:1 content, right? If I do not want 1:1 content, because it will be edited in the 1:1 format only, and this space will be left out. But if you want to pan and zoom, probably the sides won't be visible. For example, if I pan and zoom this content, the sides won't be visible. See here, the sides won't be visible, right? So this won't benefit for me, right? So what I'll do is I'll just change the aspect ratio. How to change the aspect ratio, dear sisters and brothers? Please tell me. Yes. Kindly tell how to change the aspect ratio. Anyone in the chat box? Yes, anyone in the chat box, please say how to change the aspect ratio. Yes, duplicate. Excellent. Excellent, Sister Shazia. It is duplication. How to duplicate it? Come on, I'm going here. What I have to do is I have to duplicate it, right? I have to duplicate it. Yes, excellent. Duplicate it to the aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio are you going to apply? The 16:9, right? It was a YouTube standard video, so let me apply the YouTube standard content there. So now the pan and zoom is not required for this content, right? So let me just go to the pan and zoom and make it how it was. Fine, this is fine now. So it is fine like how it was before. So this was the content that was sent to you all. You can just write whatever you want, and this it text symbols, that's all. Let me just write the text, or you can just copy the stickers from wherever you want. Okay, the content is the content that you want to decide is totally your choice. Okay, the content that you want to put in here is totally of your choice. Fine, so just put in all the content that you want into this video, and let's just create a beautiful wedding invitation video, so that we can just make this as a gift for someone who is getting married in our localities, or something like in our relations or such as such, inshallah. So we can just write a wedding invitation format. Okay, so what is the font? I'm just checking what to write. What is the content to write? Okay, with no drains, with no hooks, you can just drag it like this, or we can just create a simple format. For example, okay, can you all just type a wedding invitation format if you want? We'll just see which works for us. What do you all want to write at the start? Yes, wedding invitation content. What would be it? We request the honor of your presence at the wedding ceremony of our daughters. Okay, this won't be like, it would be the parents that who will send it, right? So that won't be a great invitation. It will be from the personal regard. So let us write it in this way. Okay, let this font text be copied. Fine. So let's start with this. Bismillah. Okay. So let me just write the wedding invitation at first itself. Okay, so this will be a wedding invitation at first, but let us select it from the stickers or something as such. Okay, because we want it to be a beautiful fonts, right? So let me just select from the stickers, or let me just go to the asset store and buy some download some stickers. Fine. So how can it be? How can the text be? So we'll just search for the newer text and good text, beautiful text, so that we can add it to the video that we are selecting. Okay, come on, select a few of the beautiful text that you want. Long shadow text is also fine. We'll just download this up. It's just of 190, okay, 190 kbs. Probably I do not have that much space in the this one. Okay, let me not go there. Okay, we can just download. I want you all to download anything as such, fine. Any content that you want, and how to edit that is nothing but, okay, you can just download any of it. Dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to download it from the stickers marketplace, fine. This would work fine, this would work fine. The long shadow, fine. I want you all to download this up, fine. After downloading it, so we will just go into the fonts. Okay, we'll see what we have here so that I can add it here. Choice and rows are not fine. This is also not fine, and this is also not fine. Go to the favorites as is not fine. Okay, let me just add this up. Let me just see how it goes off the text. Okay, so okay, this would be fine, I guess. Okay, let me just place it here. Okay, so for this, how to change the text inside this, dear sisters and brothers, you're going to going to the settings and going to change the text there. Okay, it is wedding invitation. You're just going to write it as wedding invitation. Wedding invitation, fine. Just click OK. Now you have to change the font styling for this. How will you change it? You're again going to the settings. Okay, you're going to click on this, and there is something called small a there. We're just going to press there. Okay, now you can just change the fonts that you want to add up here. For example, let me just have some bold fonts. I want you to download beautiful stickers from the marketplace, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, please download some beautiful stickers. Due to some restrictions, I can't, but you all have to download a beautiful stickers, fine. And also we can change the colors. We can change the color to the something that is in the background. It is purplish, right? Let me just change it to the purplish. Okay, this would be fine. Purplish color is fine. Okay, let me just check the color. It looks beautiful, right? Okay, we can just maximize this because this is the sticker that I have chosen. So I do not have any other option. You can just select whichever sticker you want, your sisters and brothers, fine. And you can just change the font style there, fine. So we'll just see how does it play out. Okay, and this way you can give the in animation and out animation to this. For example, it follows the follows along with the scroll that is set there. Okay, you can just follow it along the scroll that is set there, or something else. Fine, you can just make it as a total white font. For example, let me just check with the white, how does it look there. Total white. This also looks fine. Okay, this is totally up to you how you're going to regard this text. Remember, you're going to download the beautiful stickers from the store, fine, from the marketplace, and then you're going to start with this, fine. So this was the first text that you're going to insert. With this all of this, insert the wedding invitation, fine. And then there can be something like till the end of the scroll you can do this, and then you can start off with the next words. Okay, but stickers, why are the stickers essential? Because they actually have the beautiful content in them, so we can make use of the stickers, fine. So then there is something called, okay, then it starts with this one. When the scroll ends, let me just apply the out animation, and let me just apply the divergence, fine. It is diverging, or it can be the wipe in or something like that. Snap inwards, this also will work better. Snap closed also works better. Okay, in this way. Okay, after this, what we can do is we'll just apply something. We'll just type some text here. Okay, we can just add it from the stickers, or anything whichever you want, you can just write. Okay, there was some text like, with new hopes, with new dreams, we are going to step the beginning of the new married life. So with new hopes, let this appear for a few seconds, and then it appears for the few seconds after that, and that way we will just decide how it is going to appear. So in animation, on out animation should be set, and we will see how we're going to letter by letter, with new hopes or something as such you're going to write. Okay, this content is purely your thing. Okay, it's you to decide what you're going to right inside this text, inside this wedding invitation. Fine. This was my based on my understanding that I wrote here for someone that I wanted to create. Fine. So that's purely yours. Whichever you want, you can type the content here. Fine. I want you to do it along with me. Hope you all are doing it along with me. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. We cannot add this one here, I guess. So um let me just delete this off, and I'll write with new hopes and more here inside the scroll. Okay. And then we will see how we're going to do this. Okay. Okay. So this is here, wedding invitation. We'll write the next here. So have you all inserted the audio that I had given here? How to insert the audio that was given? You're going to extract it from the video that was given. Extract audio from the video that I had given, and you're going to extract this and place this audio here inside this video. Fine. How to place this? You're just going to reorder it. Fine. Any doubts here? Please ask me in the chat box. I'm here to assist you all. Fine. But I want you all to do it along with me. Okay. Are you all doing it along with me? Just type yes or no. Because I've given all of the videos that are available. Okay? Putting in videos with new hopes. Let me just make it a black thing. Okay. With new hopes, new this one, we can just write whatever you want, and you can just make the font animation there. Fine. With new hopes, and what is the out animation that you can make is snap closed. No, snap inwards. Okay, this would be fine. So this looks fine. So what I do is I'll just put it till here. Okay, and then I'll just do the splitting there. Fine. So I do not want to make use of this font again and again. So what I do is I just split it at the ends that I want. Fine. So okay, just a moment. Just a moment. What I did was I started off with this one. Let me just break it till here and split it here. Fine. So again, I'll split it here. Split. Again, I'll split it here. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. So here we are going to replace this with the wedding invitation. I just deleted the sticker because it was looking odd for me. Fine. I want you to download the beautiful stickers from the asset marketplace. Fine. Download it. Inshallah, that will be very beneficial for you all. Wedding invitation. Yesterday's homework, mashallah, everyone had downloaded it from the asset marketplace, right? The breaking news content. It looked awesome. Your homeworks looked awesome, dear students. Wedding invitation. With no hopes, no dreams, and more. You can just okay. We have to read it out and see till how many seconds you are going to read it. Fine. Please read the content and see till how many seconds you can read it. Only till then you are going to add it up. Okay, add the duration of it. Fine. For example, read this. Wedding invitation. Okay, and give 1 more second. With no hopes, with no dreams. You can just mention it. Fine, and that way you can do it. And what more you can for example, if this is going too early, what you're going to do is you're going to state it here. Okay, split this video up. Fine. What you're going to do, just I'm telling you the a trick that you have to do. Split this video up. It's split it off now. Okay, there is a background video to this audio to this video. First I want you all to mute it up. Okay, mute this background audio to this video because it is playing along with the audio that we have. So please mute it up. Let's mute it up, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. Now let me just do is reduce the speed of this, and let me just elongate this video, increase the duration of the video that was appearing with a scroll. Okay, because I want to write more of the content there, and the wedding that was present here, something with someone with someone, that appears after we are going to do this. Okay, so this is fine now. Wedding invitation with new hopes, with no dreams here, how we have just elongated the text format, how we have increased the duration of the staying of the scroll. Okay, how did we do this? We just split it off the screen there, the video there, and then we had added the speed, lessen the speed of this video so that we can increase the duration of this scroll to stay more on the screen, right? Okay, this is how you're going to do it. Wedding invitation. with new hopes, new dreams. Dreams, fine. Then we can just write it as my daughter or someone like that. My sisters, if you are going to send the invitation of your sister to your friends or something like that. My sister is stepping into the married life. Then we can just mention who with who. You can just mention their names. Let me just write it here. With new dreams. We'll see if it is what we can. My sister, let me just write it for sister. My sister is stepping the beginning of a married life, beginning of her married life, of her married life. You can just write it twice here, or you can just split it into two texts and it's stepping then at the beginning of her married life. You can write it in two texts, okay? Or you can just write it into one text or something as such. Whatever you want, you can decide it yourself. And if you want to split it into the two lines, right? My sister is stepping the beginning of the married life. You can just write it as such, okay? Okay. This you can just present it to your friends. Still stepping the beginning of the married life of a married life. So how to just change the text to this style to this? You have text options. You have to decrease the line spacing. You also have to reduce the font so that this will be inside the scroll that is placed here, right? My sister is stepping the beginning of her married life, so this is here inside the scroll and it looks beautiful. You use this text itself, inshallah, that will look beautiful here, fine. You can make use of any of the colors. Find your sisters and brothers. If this is not fine with you, you can make use of other background videos that have some background photo for videos that had some, inshallah. The audio should be the same, okay? The audio that had some, inshallah. With new hopes, with new dreams. This is for my sister's marriage, for example. I mean, you're inviting your friends for your sister's marriage. You can just make this uh, on behalf of your sister. You can make it, and you can just share it with your friends in this way. Okay, this is for that. Or you can just write this. I am stepping the beginning of my new married life. So then you can just write as the names of your sister as well as well your the upcoming what we say. Okay, so what you have to do, the in-law. So what we have to do here is we are going to add the text again. So you do not have to make text again and again. What you're doing to do is you're just duplicating the fonts that were available already, and you're just going to reorder it. So yeah, there are two fonts here. What did I do was I duplicated this two text now. What you have to do is you're just going to drag this up here and you're going to keep it here, fine. So this is still here. So we want it to start till here from here. So we will place it here somewhere. So, okay, this is here. So let me just write the name. Okay, what should I write the name? Something. Okay, let it be a name called Huda. Okay, Huda. So what you are going to do? You're just going to increase the font or something like that. I want you all to you make use of the stickers. You will have beautiful stickers. You can just change the font there. Okay. For example, Huda. You can just place it in this way. You can make it on the bold format as well. You can change the text as well, right? So fonts as well with the widths. Okay, and then you have duplicated it. Now you can move it to the next spot where you want. Okay, you can just move it here. After duplication, move to the next spot that you want, and then we can just write, what should I write with the name of the brother or someone that let it be Safwan. Okay. Okay, this is how you're going to write it. Okay, you can change the text. You can write it in the yellow format because the width, so there is something in yellow. You can write it in your own way that you want. Fine. So now you have to check with the duration. Now you have to check with the duration. Now see where is it starting and place the Huda text there. Okay, it is starting here and now you're going to place the text Huda over there. Okay, the first text. Okay, you have to reorder the text with to be aligned with the scrolls here. Okay, remember that the widths is already appeared. Now this should appear. Fine. Let me just drag it behind and see how it is working. Fine. Um, so this is how it appears. Fine. And also you have to increase the duration till where it has to stay. Fine. For the width saffron, something like that. And you will see where it will be actually. ending up. Okay, we have to remove the extra by trimming right. Okay? We'll go till here and see. Okay, it's going to here. It's going to here. Now you have to remove both of it. First it should disappear, first this should disappear, and then this should disappear. So the auto animation should be along with the text scroll, right? Make sure you're aligning the auto animation along with the scroll that is placed there, right? The first scroll goes off, the second scroll goes off later. So we have to go and align it here, right? Somewhere here. Yes. Okay, now let me check how is it aligned. And yes, right? You can also make it move with the scroll. For example, how we can make it move with the scroll, dear sisters and brothers. See how the scroll is appearing. This check how the scroll is appearing. Is appearing opened up, right? So this in animation is fine here. Then over here, yes, this scroll has not appeared yet, but this word has appeared already. Okay, it has appeared from the right side, from the left side. So let me just align it from the left side. So how should I do this? Wipe right and wipe left will work fine for this. Okay, remember. Okay, this here. Before let's begin. Yes, it's delayed actually. So remember to reorder and align it with along with the video that you're creating. Fine. Huda with Safwan, this is what we have created. Okay. Then we can just add up few more contents there, and you can just realign it and further and make it a beautiful wedding invitation copy, inshallah. So what else is remaining? This is just in brothers. What else is remaining? The venue is remaining, on what we are going to invite is remaining. You all have to add it up at the end, right? So this was it for here until here, and it's fine. Okay, now let me just play what is to be placed next, inshallah. Okay, now it is probably the venue and more you can place here. Okay, you can place the venue here, fine. With the venue, let it appear with this one. Let our text be here. So let me just duplicate this and keep this. Let me just duplicate it. This format, let it be in this format. Duplicate it. Okay, I'm just dragging it off till here. So where I should place it should start from where the text opens, right? Okay, this text opens now from, okay, okay, from here it should start exactly from the 27th second, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, 26th second. Just place it here. Fine. And now what you're going to do is you're going to write the content. For example, what should be written in the content. Let me just see what we can write. Okay, this was a video that I had provided. You can just make use of the same content that you want if you're finding it difficult. Okay, with new hopes, with the desire to achieve the pleasure of all, new aspirations. Okay, we are going to begin the okay, spare us a day of yours. Okay, you can just write here this text. Okay, spare us a day of yours when the calendar shows 17. Or spare us a day of yours on 17th of the something. You can just place the date there to make a day special with your presence in the nikah ceremony, and then you can just write the venues and more. Right? Okay, keep us in your duas is also mentioned there. Fine, you can just this one is fine. Spare us a day of yours on 17th to make make this make a day special with your presence in the nikah ceremony. Okay, so let me just see what I can write. Okay, so this also should be written, and along with this we will write the venue. Fine, and then the name is already given, right? The name is already written, so we'll see if we can just place this up. Okay, okay, alhamdulillah. Now we'll see how we can write it here. What you're going to write it. We have to align this text rightly with the horizontally. So we'll see how we can align it, and then we will see if we can write a better text. Spare us a day of yours when your calendar shows. You can write your own content, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this was my thing that I wrote. According to me, this was better for I decided how to write this. So it's all up to you how you're going to be creative with your text, with your content and more. Okay, if you get an assignment of making a wedding invitation video for someone, you can do it. Okay, you just don't have to fail it in it. You just don't have to say that I cannot do this. You will be able to do this because you are the video editors and video. You all have done so well in your homeworks, inshallah. You all can do best in this, inshallah. Space of day of yours when your calendar shows 17th, sorry, 18 January, let it be 18 January 2024. So then we can just write anything more to this, inshallah. That's totally up to you and up to whatever you're going to write. Fine. That is a bit tilted. You can just change the tilt here and you can just place it in this format. Okay. Or also you can make more changes to this. For example, if you find this not more spacious, you can just make create more spaces to this. For example, just space a day of yours when your calendar shows. Okay, you can just write it in this way to make this text appear so beautiful. Okay, that's totally up to you. Fine. So let's see how we can just. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll change this into something called pop outwards. Will it look good? Pop down? No, this won't look good. And let me see if this pop open looks good. No, you just have to decide what you're going to put here. Fine. That's all up to you, dear sisters and brothers. Remember, it's all up to you, right? Pop up, pop left, pop wipe right, or something like that. Even the convergence will work fine, probably. No, no convergence. Scale up, scale up. Try each one of it and see, okay? Which will look good for this text that is appearing. It should appear in this format, so let it be wipe right, wipe left, pop outwards, pop up, pop open. Should be fine, I guess. Okay. You have to align it properly with the text or the scrolls that are here. Okay, I'm doing it with this one. I want you to do with different as well, different background video as well. Okay, it's totally up to you, inshallah. Change the fonts, change the fonts, change the fonts, and do. You're not going to do it in the same way that you are going to do, or that I have done here. Fine. Use your creativity, inshallah. Put all your creativity inside the videos, inshallah. Beautiful. Okay, till here you can just stop and you can just read. You have to read it. Okay, you have to read it. You have to see how much duration it takes to read out this text. Fine. Spare us a day of words when your calendar says 18 January 2024. Let's stop it till here. Stop here and split it up again. Okay, let me just write more of the content here. Then what we can write is, okay, if yours when your calendar shows 18 January 2024, and then we can write more to this. What we can write was so something they mentioned, right? On our nikah ceremony, be present on the nikah ceremony or something like that, probably. Yes, we can just write whatever you want, inshallah, into this video is fine. To make a day special with your presence. Okay, you can just write it as well, inshallah. And you can just make this content. It's totally based on what you want to create, how much seconds you want to create. Fine. If you want to stop it till here, you can just make a small content of 30 seconds only. For example, you can just write from the attend the wedding invitation of my so and so, my sister or I attend my wedding. I want you to be present at my wedding celebration, so something like that. See how beautiful it looks, right? Yes, mashallah. This is how this is the content that you have created. You can create such excellent contents, fine. And one more thing, you can make use of stickers because it is not available here for now. I'm not showing you, but the stickers look perfect on the screen. Okay. I want you all to download more stickers from the store, and then you're going to use it, inshallah, and you're going to send it as a homework for today's class. So this was all I have to create and I had to show you. And we can create more of it. We can the venue is also not added, right? You can just add the venue there, and inshallah, and you can just make this as an excellent copy that you want to create. Fine. Inshallah. So, with the stickers, inshallah, I'll be showing up in the tomorrow's class. I'll show you all of it, how we are going to do it with the stickers as well. Okay, inshallah. If you have any doubts, please type now so that I can clear up your doubts along with me doing this editing. Okay. Any doubts, dear sisters and brothers? Kindly type in the chat box. I want to hear from you all. Where are you? What is the progress? Where are you right now? Are you all doing this? Kindly type yes or no. Yes, I want your yes in the chat box, please. MashaAllah. Barakallahu feek, dear sister Shazia. Yes, dear students, are you all doing it along with me? You can type anything. Your presence is okay. Can you just show the beginning part how to get 1:1 ratio? It was taught in the first classes, dear sister. What did I do was I had a content of 16:1:1 ratio. Fine. I had a content. What I did was I did design it in 1:1 ratio, dear sister. Um, yes. What you have to do here is, uh, I want it in the 16:9 format. Okay. I wanted the same content that I'm editing into 16:9 format. So what I do here is I go to this three dot option. Okay. I just click on the duplicate. Where's the duplicate? The fourth option here. Fine. I'll just click on the duplicate. And then I change the aspect ratio and I put a duplicate option there. Fine. Yes. This is how you are doing. See here. Now the duplication of it is available here in the 1:1 format. That's all. Done. Now I did it in the same format, but you can change it in whichever format you want. Fine. Understood, Sister Fariha? Yes. If you've understood it, then that's great. Okay. So this was it that we were creating. Okay. Any doubts? Any more doubts? Please type in the chat box. We are almost time for the class. Inshallah. Alhamdulillah, you have understood. Barakallahu fiki, dear sister. Okay. So this is how. This is how you have created this project. You can just do this, and you can just add a venue to this, or you can create it as I have created in the previous video. What was it in the video that I had sent? What was done here was nothing but what I did was I applied different videos to the backgrounds. Okay, I applied different videos to the backgrounds, and this was a great content that was created. Fine, because the videos were changing according to the text that was written, with the desire to achieve the pleasure of Allah. And then it was something like it appeared in another format, the wedding, who weds who in the another frame or something like that. And the venue appeared in something some background video with a palace or something like there, a hall there or something like that. You can just make use of the background videos to make this video possible. Okay, you can just opt two options. Okay, there are two options. You can make use of the green screen background videos that are already available on the YouTube. There are not just two options. There are so many options that you can do apply here, or you can just add up the background videos. Okay, background videos behind the screen, and then edit the video. And then what more you can do is you can just do the okay, you can have simple single wallpaper, and you can just write all of the content in there. This will be taught in tomorrow's class. Fine, I have sent a copy of that, how you are going to do it with the single wallpaper. Fine, I have sent a copy of that. For example, I'll show you where was it. Probably I had sent it. I hope you all have downloaded it, right? It's in the WhatsApp group that I had sent you all. You can just download that wallpaper and keep, and you can just add all of the content to the single screen. So this was it. It was for the long story pattern. Okay, for the Instagram story, or as such, if you are designing it for the WhatsApp story or something like that, you can make use of this content and you can decide it. Fine. For example, if I play this here, it's just the it is just the background video. You can just place 2 to 3 text here, and you can just make a wonderful video out of it. Okay, or even these videos are already available. So inshallah, in tomorrow's class you will be learning how to create more of the wedding invitation videos, more of the videos with this wallpaper, this kind of wallpapers. And inshallah, in tomorrow's class we're also going to see how you're going to use the templates that are already available in the KINEMASTER, inshallah. Okay, templates, and you're going to design. If you're making use of the templates, even if you're a beginner, you can go with the templates, as well as you can just make your own excellent content with the templates as well. But being a professional editor, we actually do not make use of the templates, okay? Because our content that we want, we create our own content, right? Because our creativity is different from that is put there, right? So inshallah, you can just decide whatever you want to create, inshallah. So this was a class for today. Hope you all found it interesting and hope you all learned something new in today's class. If you have any doubts, please type in the chat box. I'll just answer it now, inshallah. With a lesson recap, I want you all to tell me what we have studied in today's class. Please type what was done in today's class. Yes, dear students. Yes, dear sisters and brothers. Type what we have studied in today's class. Bismillah. Have you all understood what was explained? Have you all done it along with me? Yes? Have you all edited the videos along with me? Yes, mashallah, dear sister Fariha. Barakallahu fiki. And what more? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, type yes. If no doubts, no. If you have any more doubts, then you can just ping me. Inshallah, I will be available. Okay. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Yahusna. Yes, we have studied how to create the wedding invitation videos. Yes. Alhamdulillah. So this was a class for today. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear sisters, inshallah, we'll see you in the tomorrow's class. Assalamu alaikum. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.